If you love smart kitchen tools, you're in the right place. Trust me, number 3 is worth the wait. Tired of clogged drains and unpleasant sink odors? This pop-up sink strainer helps catch hair, food scraps, and other debris before they enter the pipe, reducing blockages and making cleanup easier. The built-in seal also helps keep odors and insects from coming back through the drain. With a simple press, you can open or close the drain whenever needed. This stainless steel watermelon slicer cuts and lifts perfect slices in one smooth motion, making serving quicker with less mess. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, while the durable blade glides easily through the fruit. Looking to upgrade your kitchen with a more functional sink? This multifunctional kitchen sink features a waterfall-style faucet, pull-out sprayer, and a spacious basin designed to make everyday cleaning more convenient. The integrated controls and modern design help simplify washing dishes, rinsing produce, and handling daily kitchen tasks. Built with a durable stainless steel body and a sleek finish, it's a stylish and practical centerpiece for any modern kitchen. Want a quicker way to prep vegetables without making a mess? This compact kitchen tool helps slice and process ingredients with a simple push-down design. It creates even cuts while collecting everything neatly in the container below, making it useful for vegetables, noodles, salads, soups, and everyday meal prep. Lightweight, easy to handle, and simple to clean, it helps save time while keeping your countertop more organized. Need a more convenient way to rinse and drain fruits, vegetables, or small kitchen items? This sink strainer filter easily attaches to the edge of your sink, creating a handy space for rinsing produce, draining pasta, or collecting food scraps. The mesh basket allows water to drain quickly while helping keep your sink cleaner and more organized.